Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Intex Prism Frame Pool. First, select a perfectly level and firm location for your pool, free from any sharp objects or debris. This is crucial for stability and safety. Make sure the chosen area is large enough to accommodate the pool's dimensions, plus at least 2 feet of extra space around it for easy access and maintenance. Finally, spread out the included ground cloth to protect the pool liner from punctures. Next, let's assemble the frame. Begin by unpacking all components and identifying them with your parts list. Lay the pool liner out in direct sunlight for about 10 to 15 minutes. This makes the material more flexible for easier assembly. Now, slide the horizontal beams through the sleeves at the top of the liner, connecting them with the plastic T-joints. Then, attach the vertical support legs to these T-joints, ensuring each pin locks firmly into place for a sturdy structure. With the frame assembled, gently smooth out any wrinkles in the pool liner, working from the center towards the edges. This helps distribute water pressure evenly. Now, connect your filter pump. Attach the hoses from the pool's inlet and outlet fittings to the corresponding ports on the pump. Hand tighten all connections securely to prevent leaks. Position the filter pump on a stable, level surface, ideally at least 6 feet away from the pool, and ensure it's plugged into a grounded outlet. Finally, it's time to fill your pool. Ensure all drain plugs are closed, then begin adding water. Fill it to the recommended line, typically just below the top horizontal beam. Once full, operate your filter pump for several hours daily to maintain water clarity and circulation. Remember to regularly test your water chemistry, adjusting pH and chlorine levels as needed. Also, clean or replace your filter cartridge every 2 weeks for optimal filtration and a sparkling clean pool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.